Oh, the current ratio nonda give choji china samsa ne chodi the to calculate current ratio from the following information. Then on the inventory, trade receivable, advance tax, cash and cash equivalent, and the trade payable and short-term borrowing. The dinan thangu hachola nanzu. Current asset contained to current liability contained to motion bashura. Thangu inventory let symbol stock wa current asset che. Trade receivable let symbol debtor to bills receivable to. So current asset che. Advance tax I mean the prepaid tax tira advance tax debt security current assets cash and cash equivalent the cash lower current assets trade payable it's more creditor to bills payable to so current liability che short term borrowings I mean the bank overdraft it's current liability ro tadi samutsa suna ani current ratio is equal to current assets divided by current liability. So current assets inventory which 50,000, trade receivable 50,000, advance tax 4,000 plus 30,000 divided by 1 lakh plus 4,000. So 1 lakh 34,000 divided by 1 lakh 4,000. The complete divide down such 1 lakh 34 divided by 1 lakh 4,000. So 1.29. So therefore 1.29 is to 1. Simple. The current ratio is equal to 1.29 is to 1. Okay, so next topic the quick ratio to share. Now quick ratio let us simple quick assets divided by quick asset to quick liability quick asset to quick liability. So therefore on the formula the formula the quick ratio is equal to quick assets divided by quick liability. In a formula one the matalo formula one the current assets minus inventory down prepaid expenses divided by current liability. So current assets minus inventory minus prepaid expenses. Sorry, bracket plus. So this is a quick level symbol. Assets tinju nanglo assets tinju most liquid most liquid level symbol asset content which in current assets nanglo liquid namsa which means namsa cash la convert chart asset ratio to sta korta ani quick asset ideal ratio quick ratio ideal ratio dikhalana 1:1. So basically current liability the quick asset ratio chick chine quick ratio the yakutus layer oh yeah. So the quick ratio the uh, total of current liability current assets tin year 1 lakh 34,000. So the much la water inventory trade receivable advance tax cash and cash equivalent some of them do 1 lakh 34,000 lower tinan kharthere inventory dang advanced tax to emna prepaid expenses advanced tax ra tithena na quick ratio rate current liability tir to 1 lakh che trade payable dang bank overdraft 1 lakh plus 4000 to so 1 lakh 34,000 minus inventory khazusha inventory 50,000 to and advance tax 4,000 to divided by 1 lakh 4,000 so 1 lakh 34,000 minus 54,000 divided by 1 lakh 4,000 so this should be 26,000 divided by 80,000 divided by 1 lakh 4,000 80,000 divided by 1 lakh 4,000 so 0.77 is to 1 lead ideal ideal matus kalana 1 is to 1 level so so ta tichida kashi gende chirwa tanda de kha ga te example thaboran ma ju ti include for machina ti do de nanda ra ma ju thaboran khare lension ti de trade receivable le rwa ani shiba hale cash and cash equivalent le rwa ani shiba hatu ni thagara ta ti lension ti do and current liability is total 1 lakh ta 4,000 dusle na ti do asle ti da odin le na ti gore ra so trade receivable khachur to 50,000 ra cash and cash equivalent khachur to 30,000 ra divided by 1 lakh 4,000 so khachur chasu 80,000 divided by 1 lakh 4,000 chikor da tata 0.77 is to 1 lirwa kujuda so khashirani ki tome chapla khaptu wire gidle magwa de male so dus kichina to gore so the question chawach the ingi question chitana samsra quick ratio ka calculate liquid ratio from the following information so liquid ratio lasera so liquid ratio from the following information that is balakala ore liquid ratio means quick ratio la ore samsung khundra ki asset test ratio ki lere so confused chaya mare so liquid ratio chelana kharchere quick ratio cher so thambo hare quick ratio ka formula che quick ratio is equal to quick asset divided by current liability che now let's identify current quick asset current liability detesha current assets detesha so basically the total of current assets total of current assets and total of current liability desha so inventory desha advance tax desha prepaid expense desha so khacher tulana quick asset level simple khare current assets minus kharte ore inventories ores shaba kharte ore prepaid expenses rectins so basically advance tax ki materials divided by current liability so tada current asset khazur to 50,000 tinang ne khartyen sa inventories tueres next khartyen lana advance tax nimne prepaid expenses kya mitra atung chi matyu again 5,000 chi matyu this are divided by current liability is 50,000 50 da mekonda tertwa current asset the 80,000 da current liability the 50,000 che tus mathe suna ki chune khazte modi Issue sumju thimta kechun sumju mathina 50,000 lira divided by 50,000 that is bala tahara 51 so therefore quick ratio amana liquid ratio amana acid test ratio ra khazulana 1 is to 1 so ideal ratios so question de okay let's do one more question then let's do one more question on quick ratio or acid test ratio ta the following is the balance sheet of a firm of a firm share capital creditor bills payable provision for tax next assets cash fixed asset cash uh, book debt na data to slow bills receivable stock prepaid expenses right. So following is the balance sheet so hajar comment on liquidity lasha comment on liquidity sambala adu kharcha or kiyelana right kharcha kiyelana adu liquidity kalta na liquid ratio khar liquid ratio namula kharsa current ratio ta quick ratio uh, so current ratio ta quick ratio sambala the current ratio ta quick ratio said so let's find wo hajore current ratio formula di machi current assets divided by current liability so current assets khar re tu lana tinawne to current assets ta darwa fixed asset current lana mares to cash current lana current rate book debt debtor current lana current rate bills receivable current and current rate stock current current rate prepaid expenses current lana current rate this is so next khara go to current liability khare bata ko to share capital current lana mare credit or current lana re bills payable current lana re provision for tax current lana current rate this is so also khachu to current assets the total thi so current assets total 1000 plus 6000 plus 20,000 2000 plus 17,500 plus 500 divided by current liability kar kar rahe 8,000 plus 2,000 plus 3,500 so this is total khazur na total 27,000 divided by 10 13,500 13,500 so 27,000 divided by 13,500 so it's 2 2 less simple 2 is to 1 gaj khare current ratio is so khale to yakut ba current ratio ideal ratio khare 2 is to 1 le orwa so liquidity current ratio di yakut usra kiziga yabu na liquidity position di yakut la inda next the quick ratio which formula khare quick asset divided by current liability ra chidan ye ra include khora machina digore prepaid tan jura digorata prepaid include machi and shamba khare include chimwa dwe shiba stock include machi ra tisum de chiputish and divided by current liability so chidan ye ye ta teaching the current assets minus inventory minus prepaid teaching the law divided by current liability so current assets का total दे दो 27,000 दिनांक खर पेड़ ना stock 17,500 down सिंपल करके खर पेड़ सा prepaid expenses 500 दिखे दिमापी सुनना divided by current liability counts quick rates so that then on the piece 18 dose pure 9,000 level divided by 13,500. So 9,000 divided by 13,500 symbol 0.67 is to 1. So ideal ratio ideal ratio 1 is to 1. So ideal marda. So liquidity position 100 dose. Satisfactory ratio lan chigite e yago den mintu current ratio da yago to but quick ratio yago mintus this. So that is it. So the question number 4 and 5 the and current try chi and the answer the kazu dos level na 4 gachti 3 is to 1 level and 5 gachti 1.5 is to 1 level. So 3 is to 1 down, 1.5 is to 1 level and kiss the level you can answer the 2. So please try this.